Don't touch my hair.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia and she's back. Yeah, if you guys don't know, I have been protective styling for pretty much the whole summer. I think I wore my natural hair maybe once or twice throughout the summer, but for the most part I've been wearing either, what do they call those passion twists and wigs and units. And so yeah, I miss my natural hair, so I was like, yeah, it's time to get back to it. I purposely protective styled this whole summer because I felt like I needed a break from my natural hair. I feel like I was playing with my hair too much. I was getting like some shedding, and I did stop the rice water challenge, and no reason in particular. I guess kind of got lazy, so I do want to get that started up again. You'll see in a couple of weeks how I reboot my challenge and also my hair health. Honestly guys, when I protective styled, I didn't do anything to it. I would wash my hair every other week. So every 2 weeks I would wash my hair, protective style, and literally leave it alone. I didn't go in with oils like I should have. I didn't keep my scalp moisturized. Yeah, so today I'm actually taking down my braids, my single braids. What do you call these? Plait braids, okay, whatever, but single braids. I didn't cornrow this time around, and I think today I'm dropping 2 videos. So you'll see my previous video of the protective style with this other unit, and these braids were underneath that wig. So today I decided, before I go in and wash my hair, this is a week old. I did go ahead and wash my hair last week, so I'm like, you know what, I don't have to go in and wash my hair yet. I just want to see what my hair is looking like and take down these braids just to show, you know, where my hair is and if I've got any progress, breakage. I don't feel like I have any breakage or anything like that, but I do know, honestly, I could have done a better job with, you know, these protective styles. I just got busy and caught up, and honestly, sometimes with me, a lot of times when I'm protective styling, I tend to forget about my hair. You throw the unit off, you put your bonnet on and you go to sleep, you know what I mean? Or if I have the passion twist, put that thing in a bun, put my hair scarf on, my bonnet, and then I don't really care for the hair. So I've been trying to, I want to improve that about myself when I do protective style. So don't be like me, y'all. If you're protective styling, please still take care of your hair, because I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. But I honestly am like very excited to wear my hair, okay? I know I look a little, you know, like a 5-year-old right now, but give me a couple of, you know what I'm saying, so I can zhuzh this up. And to zhuzh things up a little bit, I'm gonna go in with some Blue Magic hair grease along with my black Jamaican castor oil. Mix these together and like distribute it throughout my strands before I take this down, because I feel like my hair is a little dry. Like I said, I have not touched it since the last time I washed my hair and put these braids in. So I just want to make sure it's not like super duper dry, you know what I mean? Taking about this amount of Blue Magic, then taking some of my black castor oil. This combination is like bomb if you guys haven't tried it. Right, just taking a dime size amount of the castor oil and mixing them together and just distribute it in my hair and my scalp. I probably rock my hair for a couple of days before I go in and wash, so it's all good. It's a week old hair anyway, so it's all right. I was literally thinking about washing because I wanted to get a video out and show you guys my hair progress. I was gonna wash my hair today, and I'm like, wait, I can actually wear this for a week and then wash my hair, because I do want to do a video and review on the new, what line is that with Tracy Ellis Ross, Passion. That's the hair care line. I want to see if it works for 4C hair, so I do plan to go to Ulta soon to get, you know, to get that and see if it'll work for us for 4C hair. Ooh, give yourself a little massage. Okay, I'm gonna start taking these down. So what I did was I did 2 strand twist the ends and 3 strand braid, whatever, the rest of the hair. I don't like to braid all the way down to the ends because I feel like it's harder to take down. Alright, so So before I go in and fluff and style, this is what it's looking like. I missed my hair so much. I really, really did. Yay. Looking good. From over here, I don't know what it looks like over there. But yeah, I don't want to fluff too much and destroy the little bit of definition that I have. But yo, it's looking nice. It's looking nice, y'all. And the only reason why I have a middle part is because my last protective style required one. I typically do a side part, but yeah. Hair doesn't feel dry. I feel like the combination of the hair grease and the Jamaican black castor oil is basically what I needed. Can't find my, where's my hair pick? It's been a while, so I don't know where it's at. So I'm gonna use this wide tooth comb just to like, just up a little bit. Give myself some volume. My hair is extra thick though. I can feel it. Yeah, definitely thicker than what I remember. So that's always a good thing. I have hair all up in my eyes, which is kind of annoying. So I'm just gonna pin this up a little bit. Woo. So I can, like, you know what I'm saying? Breathe. See. You know what I mean. There you go. I just realized I like when I tuck the sides in like so. So instead of putting it just like that, I like the look when it's like going down and then I tuck. Yeah, that's the look I was going for. There we go. I know it doesn't make much of a difference, but I don't know. I just like this way a little better. Yep. This is exactly the look I was going for. Yep, 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 yep. I'm like, why can't I get this right? Gonna take some of my Style Factor Edge Booster. This step is totally optional. Just gonna, you know, I don't know, you know that. Play with my edges a little bit, just a little bit, nothing drastic, you know. Okay, so let me show you guys what the back is looking like. I don't know if you guys get tired of me saying this. I always say this. There's nothing, I feel my most confident with my natural hair. Like, I love protective styling. It gives me time to like just take a break from it all and, you know, to give my strands a rest from me touching it and playing with it and manipulating it. But this is it. Like, I love my natural hair. I feel my most confident when the protective styles are out and I get to rock it and be free, and it's just like so liberating, you know. Hopefully you guys can relate. I could have done better with the way I protected my hair and my scalp throughout my whole protective styling months in the summertime, but I'm not mad at the way it's looking right now. Yeah, I could have gotten some more length, but I do feel like my hair did get a little thicker than what I remember. I think it did get a little thicker, and I feel like it's strong too. And yeah, so I can't wait to see what happens once I restart my healthy hair journey and also the rice water challenge, and then start deep conditioning every other week and washing my hair every maybe 9-10 days or every other week, depending on how much product I have in my hair. I can't wait to see, and also can't wait to progress in this journey. Thank you guys so much for riding with me throughout this journey. You guys have seen my hair at its worst, and also, you know, when it's at its best, and the journey and the in-between. Sometimes it's ugly. Sometimes it's a very ugly journey and it gets frustrating. But I feel like when you do get frustrated with your hair and you feel like you're being impatient with it and you're not taking the time to care for it and to like detangle without like breaking it, maybe it's time to take a break. You know what I mean? So that's why I enjoy my protective styles, because it gives me the, I feel like, I don't know, it helps me fall in love with my hair all over again, if that makes sense, you know? So if you haven't already, please join me and follow me in all of my social media, including Instagram. I'm posting IG stories every day periodically with hair updates, protective style updates, makeup, whatever pretty much going on in my life. IG, follow me on IG, and also on Snapchat, Facebook. All of that will be listed in my description box. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And all my natural hair sisters, if you're natural, if you're transitioning, or even if you're thinking about going natural or doing a big chop, make sure to click that subscribe button and recommend this video to someone else who you think, you know, may help. You know what I mean? I'm just a regular schmegular girl with natural 4C hair trying to figure it out. Yeah, honestly, I'm trying to figure it out, because what works for everybody else doesn't necessarily always work for me. So that's why I can't wait to try this passion hairline from Tracy Ellis Ross. I think she's the one, the creator of this hairline. I don't know, but I can't wait to try it out just to see, because her curls are a little different. But yeah, that's another video. We'll get to that. But it's fall season and I love the fall makeup. I love summertime, I really do. But fall makeup is my thing, y'all. Like this Lippie. You know what? Check out my description box. I know someone's gonna ask what is on my lips today. Make sure to check out my description box. And I got yellow eyeshadow, you know, with a little bit of brown, just to bring in the fall, because the leaves about to change color. And yeah, it's just beautiful, and I enjoy fall makeup, you know what I mean? I really do. So yeah, if you guys want to stay tuned for more videos, please subscribe and just keep coming back. I got more content for you guys coming up, and make sure to check out the video before this one, because I believe I'm uploading these 2 videos today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time, bye.